Here is a 10-line essay on parrots for secondary classes, Oxford schools, teachers and students, with their amazing facts, history, living style, qualities, branches, important topics, food eating. 1. Parrots are intelligent birds that are known for their ability to mimic human speech. They are found in warm climates all over the world, and there are over 350 different species of parrots. 2. Parrots have been kept as pets for centuries, and they were even used as messengers by some Native American tribes. 3. Parrots live in a variety of habitats, including forests, savannas, and even deserts. They are social birds and typically live in flocks of up to 20 individuals. 4. Some of the qualities that make parrots special include their intelligence, their ability to mimic human speech, and their colorful plumage. 5. Parrots are monogamous and typically mate for life. There are 3 main branches of parrots: 1. Macaws, 2. Amazon, 3. Cockatoos. 6. Macaws are the largest parrots. They are known for their bright colors. Amazon are smaller than macaws, but they are just as intelligent. Cockatoos are known for their crests, which can be raised or lowered. 7. Parrots can learn to speak over words. The oldest known parrots was 31 years old. 8. Parrots eat a variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. They also need access to fresh water at all times. 9. The largest parrot species is the hyacinth macaws, which can grow up to 3 feet long. The small parrots species is the pygmy parrots, which is only about 3 inches long. 10. Parrots are very playful, affectionate bird, and they are an important part of our ecosystem. They helps to disperse seeds and pollinate plant. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching this video.